Follow weather instructions.
Dito kami sa likuran ng mga bata. Meron kaming new driver. My babe. Are you okay driving, babe?
I'm gonna make a mess.
I'll show you my babe next time when everything is all settled. I'm happier because I'm with my babe.
This is my beard. This is my beard.
When you have beard. Diyan si Jack,
Jack
oh,
is your
nakaupo.
No babe.
Jack!
He's a babe.
I don't think Jack is happy. We're traveling to... I don't know, napaga yung aming pag-alis. Ang travel namin.
Wait, what's on this? I see the...
Oh, it's over there, babe. They're going. I don't want you to see them. Are you happy with the mommy new babe?
No.
Why? Jacket now. Why are you wearing Jenny jacket? Jenny, are you okay? I thought you said you're sleepy.
Wait, it says for... It's my bum. It's like I'm gonna die. Say the name. Yay. Look at that thing. Like I'm gonna die.
Jenny, make JJ laugh.
Food is life. Tonight's Euro Millions jackpot is £119 million. It's so exciting, I can do the splits. Should have stretched first. Get in tonight's Euro Millions.
Make mommy laugh.
Procedures and players must be 18 or over. Joy, the UK's fastest growing
Lang, look at my face lang.
aren't glued to their devices all day.
You're lucky.
Ano nak, magbo. One day I Agay! And you, that's we are gonna always needing life, life, life. Oh, pig! You like the giraffe, Jack? First time ko makapunta dito. First time ako dinala dito sa kuan. First time ko makapunta dito. First time ako dinala dito. That's cute, JJ. Ay, shoot! Ay, ikaw to lang? Punta muna ako sa toilet. Iniwan ko ang mga bata kay babe. Dito kami. They're sleeping. Baho nga na ni, oy. Laoy, may mga turkey, oh. Hi, turkey! Pagala ng turkey! Gusto nila magsakay ng ito, oh. Chat! Going in the Ferris wheel si Jilang, Jessica at JJ. Slow! Oh no, oh no, oh no, JJ, oh no. I think they have to calm down. Oh, I'm already dizzy.
How? I don't
Are you not scared, JJ? Jenny? In Philippines, it's not like this. You'll be really scared.
I'm only scared a little bit.
No? It's just the height I
I'm
don't
not
like.
scared of heights.
No?
I'm not scared of heights, but if it's super high.
It will be super high.
Maybe I'm not scared. I don't know. Where's the seatbelt?
Wow!
Can
You
you
look!
leave that?
Look!
Mommy, leave that.
Wow! Do you like it, Jenny? Wow! What's wrong, JJ? I thought you like it.
That's too high. Can you move back?
What back?
Yeah.
What? Oh my gosh, we're up.
I'm not
Guys, tignan nyo, nasa tuktok kami ng mundo. Ala, nasa tuktok kami ng mundo.
Mommy.
What?
Move back.
Takot mo di ay. You said you're not scared.
But I am actually.
Wow, we see everything. You like it, Jenny? Oh, it's a bit cold.
I feel like I'm gonna.
We're on top. We
Why
stop
do I
on
feel
top.
Like, why do I feel like I fall? I'm falling.
What?
I'm falling.
You're not falling?
I am.
Hala, nasa Ferrisville kaming dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Ay, meron palang pond dyan. Nak,
Mommy's
oh.
falling.
Nak, oh, look, there's a pond.
No, I'm not.
Si Jenny hindi takot. Why you keep moving, Jenny? You look around, Jenny. Like it? That's where we park.
Can you hold my hands?
Oh no, that's where we parked, right? Somewhere there. Oh, there's a caravan site.
Honey, can you hold my hands?
Hold your hand, baby. Oh no, we're stuck here now.
Is the proper?
Tignan nyo ang kuan, no?
Why are we stuck in here?
Na-stuck kami dito sa tuktok ng mundo.
Is anybody stuck?
Yeah, someone's going down.
Is anybody? Mommy, is anybody else stuck in? Jenny, why are you moving?
Hindi siya
I think
takot.
it's not moving because lots of people are coming in.
Are you cold?
Closing.
Laoy, we should bring your jacket, anak. It's cold over here.
Actually, I'm not.
Some people go caravan. Oh, there is caravans there. Look.
Mommy, why am I scared?
See?
But why am I scared?
Are you scared?
Yeah,
What are you scared for?
because it feels like
That's scary.
it feels like I'm falling down.
Hello, uy, na-stuck naman ta diri na.
Finally.
Nasa Ferrisville kami, takot siya.
Okay, you're scared.
We're going more.
No, can you stop now? It's gone fast.
We're going again, JJ.
Can someone stop?
We're going more up.
I don't want
Go look. See, enjoy the view. Enjoy the view.
I'm closing my eyes for the rest of the night.
Why?
Because.
Why are you closing your eyes?
Okay, when you get at the bottom, I'll close my eyes again. Also, I'm not scared of
Whee! JJ.
the few more things. I'm gonna get off now. We can't. Why is it shaking? Okay, post.
JJ is scared. We're in Ferris wheel. JJ, look. We should go there, oh.
No, I can't.
Let's ride,
I
oh.
can't look. This one.
Why?
The one I'm pointing. The one I'm pointing. I can't one I'm pointing. I can't move. Let me run the one I'm
Uy, kaarte niya, oh.
Let me run the one I was pointing.
Yeah.
Which way?
I think it's
Stop
done.
now.
Yeah.
Stop. No, stop.
What? She wanted to stop.
Why are you not stopping?
JJ.
Johnny, you're stinking. Are you looking back? Mommy, man, that's why is Hans so scared? Man, that's why.
If you have to look, you'll be used to it and you don't get scared. Where did we park? Let's see if we can find our car. There it is. There's our car.
Hey,
There.
I can't see it.
There somewhere there.
Don't make me. Mommy, man, that's why.
Yeah.
I can't move my. I don't want to move my. I'm moving my hand. I'm not.
Oh, there's lots of caravans now.
Stuck again.
I want to go there
Are
like
we
that.
stuck again?
Caravan.
No. Here.
Camping.
I'm not.
Yan yung view sa taas. Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng view. Whee! Tapos doon. Malapad pala.
Yes, stuck again. Oh, no, we're not.
Or the tractor.
No, not that one. Not that one. No.
The strong Jenny. The is strong. Tractor na lang, tractor. So, who want to be in the front?
Me.
Go round. Who wants to be in the front? JJ or Jenny?
I want to be in the front.
Oh, you and Jenny. Okay, mommy at the
I
back.
want to run with.
Okay. I don't know. We can't select, I think. Gonna drive me. Pizza shop. Pizza. Pizza. How about you, JJ? Jenny?
I'm gonna get you to a cupcake shop.
Cupcake. Oh. I'm the passenger this time. Para akong tanga dito sa likod. Say hi! Say hi sa ba? Dito kami sa sasakyan. Ganyan siya, oh. Ganyan siya, ay sa... Ganyan sa likuran. Para siyang sasakyan na farm. Ganyan. May CCTV dyan. Hold the car. Yeah. You the driver. Mommy the passenger. Hey! We're in the farm! The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Behind us.
Huh?
Why not?
Whee! Where's my drivers? Where's my drivers? I have 2 drivers. Wow, mayroon tayong duck dito. So if we're back JJ, is it time for us to leave? Way, my driver, my kids, my driver. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Para wasang ko andire oy. Ang ganda no, ang linis nak no. There's a tractor, Ninda. Oh, the horse. Whee!
We took you to the farm instead.
Yes, he took me to the farm. Oh no, our truck broke. Huh?
We're in a farm. Also, it says tractor factory.
Oh, tractor in the country. Naglaro na naman sila ditong dalawa, oh.
But I still want to play.
Hoy, magkaon sa man good. Eat sa kay is hungry. Yay! We don't have water ba, ya? You have to wash your hands. Come. Sa farmhouse. Ganito yung farmhouse. The toilets.
Hamster.
Rabbit.
Guinea pig.
May mga goat. Behehehe. May ganito ang nanay ko. Wala, it's pregnant. Hala, they're pregnant. They're sleeping. This one, touch this one, JJ. They're pregnant. They have a baby inside. Okay? Because there's a baby inside. Pa-aircon man si Donkey. See the pig? Gonna see the pig? Yeah, okay. Go see the pigs. Do you wanna wash your hands? Because you touch the goat? Go down. The pigs are there. Whee! Happy kay sila. It's a chicken, Jenny. Black and white chicken. What is it? Bak, bak, bak! Dito na kami sa likuran, naglakad-lakad. Maraming mga donkey at kung ano-ano mga hayop dito. Goat! La, they look weird lang. Touch the head.
No.
Hi.
The bumble.
They're pregnant. What are you? You're not a farm girl? Go in. There. Way! Driver Jenny! What's your name anyway? Where put? Lawless. Family. Lily the horse. So big. The jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Tung, tung, tung. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, this. What's in there, JJ? Oh, snake. Yeah, big snake. Ano to? Mga bato. What's in there? Unsa dito? Ano to na? No? Nothing?
What's inside?
The yellow fish. There's Nemo. Nemo is there. Uy, ang ganda o yellow. Buhay pala itong mga ganito, no? Totoo pala ang buhay itong mga coral. Iwan ko, makita yung black crocodile. Nandyan siya. Black. Hi! Tanaw ka? I don't know. It's ugly. It's ugly. I don't know. You have to read it there, JJ. Nanay, kwaknit. Lang, oh, there's a kwaknit na. That's big one. Nag-ano man yan siya, kumakain. Para siyang vampira, no? Piranha. You can go there like that. It's so fast. Oh my gosh. Look at that, Jenny. Look. Whoa. Woo. Go, Jenny. I don't think you have to pay. I think it's free. Hello, ang mga bata. Excited sila, Jenny. They're going. Jenny! Ala, andun na sila sa taas. Ang ganda pala dito. Andun na sila, oh. Inom tayo while waiting sa dalawa kay naglaro sila. African lion. Pero na, oh, malayo man sila, oy. Apple. Where's the monkey, JJ? There he is. There, he's itching his head. Oh, he's making noise. See him.
I saw one licking his hands.
Yeah. Na unggoy. Unggoy. Ang daming apple, oh. Pwede manguha. Parang wild ata na apple. Inyong Inday Elgen din si jacket in town ako kay sobrang kuan. Malamig man. Sobrang malamig tapos mainit. Magpandong tayo kay mainit. Lavenders is for bee snack.
Orange hair.
Oh, penguins. Tara, oh, ang dami nila ay nag-relax. Para silang mabaho na isda, no? Ang penguin. What?
Someone was itching the neck for someone.
Yeah? Did they bite?
What is sound? He's still cooking the food. You free. Look at me.
Tapos na tayo sa penguin. Ay, dahil sa flamingo ay. Jenny? Oh, we can go closer. We can go closer. That way.
Flamingo.
Yeah, very pretty. Tang, 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 tang. Where are you going? Here. Go there. Enjoy na enjoy sila ang dalawa, oh. Pang malaki na si Jack. Tatlo na silang maglakad-lakad. Are they there? No?
Flipper bands on. You can tell them
I
You see?
don't see any pets.
Flamingo.
Oh, no, on the camera, on this.
Oh, the wings. Look at the wings, JJ.
Black wing. What is that round thing? Is that a baby one?
Yes.
Why is it round?
I don't know. No, the birds, I think.
We got playground.
Bisitahin natin yung giraffe. Nandito ya daw yung giraffe. Nag-wild na itong dalawa kay bakit ayaw nilang pumunta dito makita ang giraffe. Gusto nila doon sa playground mag-play. Is there a giraffe?
Please let me see a giraffe.
Pumunta sila Jessica dito ay. Nagbili ako ng ice cream. Dito yung ice cream nila oh. Grabe ang lapa. Ay meron palang kuan doon oh. Maka-drive ka doon oh. Ay ang daming malaruan. Maganda pala dito pala talaga oy. Kain tayo ng ice cream. Mas malaki pa sa aking mukha. Dito kami sa CR si JJ. Na-aksidente si Jenny. Nakuan yung kanyang ulo ba na pakog. Let's put it in. There you go. Can you press it?
What?
Yeah, this one.
Hello.
They have like that. And you go in. I don't know where's the entrance of these carts. Do you want to drive that cart or no?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why?
I want to go in there.
Oh.
I want to go I can't go.
Okay. Ayaw nila sa cart. Nandun yung dalawa ay nagkuan. Dula-dula silang dalawa. Pupunta kami dito kay kuan. Merong drive-an ba? Yan, gusto ko pumunta dyan. Mag-try ng drive-drive.
I want to try the yellow.
Hoy! Let's see if we have to pay. Or it's free. Where's the entrance? I don't know where is the entrance. The Ferris wheel there. Do you want to go Ferris wheel? See the big one.
Wait, Mommy, I want to go to the red one.
Yeah? I don't know where is the entrance lang.
I know it.
Somebody.
Like in the olden days.
Wait,
Like it's from that.
Is it opening? Yay! With somebody who... I want your name. With somebody.
Mommy, why you don't make us eat it?
Just like you.
Thanks to the dog. Hello, I'm a baby. I was made in funny form.
What's wrong, Jenny? So quiet.
I was made in funny form.
Sorry?
I think the internet's back on.
Is it? Did you check it?
No, on Jenny's it's working.
Nag-internet na naman silang dalawa. Oh. Hala ng muha. Kung saan na yun silang dalawa. Jack! Saba man yung music ni mo lang, no? At two! Unsay nahitabo, Jack? Why you sister like an iPad, Jack? Huh? Tell mommy? Oh? Do you know? Ano man to? Agoy, kisi-kisi ang bata? Kisi-kisi ang bata? Smile ikaw? Smile yung bata? Na good morning mga tita guwapa all over the Philippines and all the world. Wink dayon. Oh, inakidhat, I love you. Love you, titas. Sige. Say, I love you, titas. Oh, unsa man ang bibi. Nalalava man na. Unsa man. Thank you ka kang titas. Ha? Thank you ka sa ilang like and comment and share. Oh, and view. Oh, ay, grabe boy. Thank you si Jack boy. Na thank you, titas. I appreciate it, everyone. Say. Na-appreciate ni Jack ang like and comment and share. Oh. Thank you ka. Kay na kay pangpalit na pino. Ay. Na-happy ang Jack kay na pangpalit na pin. Chin-chin. Gubot atong balajak, murag nagiag bagyo. Agay, disipa ko. Hikikikikikikikikik. Yung kikikikikik, mama? Uy. Agay. Kabalo na ka manip.